Understanding Transportation Costs, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're diving into a very practical topic: transportation costs. Whether you're traveling, shipping goods, or just curious, understanding this term is essential. So, let's break it down together and make it as simple as possible. Transportation cost refers to the expenses involved in moving goods or people from one location to another. It's not just about the fuel. It encompasses a variety of expenses including vehicle maintenance, tolls, labor, and even insurance. These costs affect the price of goods we buy and the choices we make about travel. Understanding them can help us make better financial decisions. There are several types of transportation costs, and knowing them can help you understand how they impact overall expenses. Direct costs. These are costs that are directly associated with the transportation of goods or people, like fuel, maintenance, and driver salaries. Indirect costs. These include expenses not directly tied to transportation but necessary for the process, such as administrative overheads and insurance. Variable costs. These costs change based on the distance traveled or the amount of goods transported. Fuel is a perfect example. Fixed costs. These costs remain the same, regardless of how much or how little you use the transportation service, like insurance or vehicle lease payments. Transportation costs are crucial for several reasons. They affect the final price of goods. Higher transportation costs can lead to higher prices for consumers. They influence economic decisions, such as where to locate a business or how to manage supply chains. Understanding these costs can lead to more sustainable choices, like choosing more efficient modes of transport or planning routes better to save on fuel and time. We hope this video has shed some light on the concept of transportation costs and why they're important in our daily lives and the economy. Whether you're planning a trip or just curious about the economics of shipping goods, understanding these costs is invaluable. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more useful English language learning content. Stay curious, and see you in our next video.